years ago, in late 2016. When I joined as the Chief of Product and Technology, I realized that everything was being done using Excel. We did not have any applications, so as to say. There was no ERP available, enterprise resource planning software available for the peer-to-peer industry. Over 2 years, we have gone from 100% Excel to 0% Excel. So what that means is everything is done online. Everything is automated. We have introduced intelligent automation. We have used artificial intelligence strategies to engage customers. What that means is that when I joined the company, there was one person in the operations team. After 2 years, when the business has grown several fold, there is still one person in the operations team. That is our measure of success of digital transformation of our business. Implemented AI solutions only recently, and the reason is that first we had to wait for a critical volume of data to be collected. Once we had the data collected, we were able to analyze it. Once the data was analyzed, we were able to develop strategies and feed the information back into our systems. So here I'm going to give you an example that we know who is a good borrower. We know the parameters of what a good borrower who will pay his or her EMIs on time, what those parameters are. So when a new lead comes in, we automatically enforce our artificial intelligence engine on the data of the new lead, and we are able to predict with a certain degree of confidence whether this person is going to default or not. So for example, our artificial intelligence is able to predict at 84% success rate whether a loan is going to, that a loan is not going to default. But at 48% success rate whether a loan is going to default. So slowly over time, once we have the entire system digitized, we have collected large volumes of data, we are now able to implement artificial intelligence training. Has three main components. One is the mathematical algorithms such as neural networks, random forest, linear regression, clustering. Also, you need to have skills around that. Number two is that your solution should be able to ingest large volumes of data coming to you at high velocity. And then number three is combining the two and using the technologies such as Hadoop, which can work on large volumes of data, working on the technology to implement the AI solution. Now, the way we do that is it will be very costly to build this expertise in-house from day one. So there are specialist companies who actually have predefined, pre-built AI solutions, and we just do a plug and play into our systems. However, over time, if you are a product and tech company and you have to rely heavily on AI intelligence, then it is advisable that the company builds a team of data scientists, and these data scientists have to be entrepreneurial in their nature, in the sense that whatever they do, they have to do it from a marketing and a business perspective. That we try to follow is we look for partners who have worked in our space. And our space is fintech. And fintech means is financial technologies. The person should have, or the company should have worked in the financial space, both in retail, in loan origination, as well as iBanking, which will be investment banking. So the company should have expertise in our domain. Then we also look at the pedigree in the company. Where are the employees coming from? What universities, what is their educational background in terms of the degrees they have earned, and also in terms of the colleges that they have gone to. Then of course we also look at the recommendations of their existing clients. And finally, when we choose the partner, we kind of try to make sure that the partner has the skin in the game. So what that means is that the partner gets paid if the partner has made